Hi guys, in the previous video we integrated a custom domain. You can see the domain is fully connected. In this video we will discuss general settings and email settings. Please don't ignore this step, otherwise you will have to go back and do it again when you need to launch a funnel or create an email sequence. We will start with the general settings. If we come from the dashboard to workspace settings, then the general tab will be selected by default. But from here we will click general. Here you will able to change the workspace name. You can also add or change workspace logo. You can select an image that is already uploaded here or upload a new image from your device. Next, you will see default subdomain of the workspace and site. Once you have payment gateways connected, payment settings will be available here. Order format is an optional feature. You can add a prefix or suffix to your order. You can manage team settings from here. We will create a separate video for it. ClickFunnels Classic Connection is a new feature of ClickFunnels 2.0. Using this option, you can manage connection between your ClickFunnels 2.0 and Classic accounts. Once you update the information that you need, don't forget to hit Update Workspace to save the changes. Next, we are going to update email settings. For that, go to the Email Settings tab. First, we need to check the email domains to make sure the domain we added in the last video is ready to use. If you did not add your domain to ClickFunnels 2.0, I strongly recommend to do that, otherwise you will not be able to complete the email settings here. Now go to email addresses. You may see some default email addresses added by ClickFunnels. To add new email address that you want to send from, click Add Email Address. Give the email address a nickname, name and a username. If you have multiple domains added to ClickFunnels 2.0, you can select the domain that you want to use for this email address. Click Add Email Address. Then go to General Settings. Enter your marketing contact address here. This is required. It will be visible at the bottom of the emails that you are sending. In the next section, you will be able to customize the unsubscribe footer text. It will be also visible in the email. If you want to hide powered by ClickFunnels badge, then you can do it by toggling this on. In the next section, you will need to add email addresses for system and marketing emails. One most important thing to remember here, the form addresses should be on a custom domain that you own. But the reply addresses can be anything and it's optional. You can leave it blank as well. Now click Save to make the changes. I hope you understand. If you have any opinion, you can comment below. Thank you so much for being with us for so long. See you in the next video.